Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and new tutorial. In this video you will learn the solution of how to correct yellow dollar YouTube videos to green dollar. If you don't know what it means, why you see against some of your videos and how to convert yellow dollar into green dollar by requesting human review, watch the video until end. Limited. This video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertiser. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. Ad suitability dollar. This video is running limited or no ads due to content identified as not suitable for most advertisers. It remains fully playable and is eligible to earn subscription revenue from YouTube Premium. For solving this problem and converting dollar yellow to green, let's do some edit on my video. Go to video, rewrite and edit some text on your video title and description, then change the thumbnail. After you completed changes title, description, and thumbnail, don't forget to save your changes. Now, go to Ad Suitability, click on Request Review. Request human review. If you think this video, including thumbnail and metadata, meets all advertiser-friendly guidelines, then we will review it again. Tick mark, I confirm this video meets, then do request review. Do the same process for all your yellow dollar videos in your channel.